Okay, we're going to be looking at the area of a triangle. Now, the area of a triangle has got two formulas. One, at some point you'll have seen before, which is the area of a triangle is given by the half times the base times the height. So if I've got a triangle, the base is what it sits on, and the height is just the vertical distance between bottom and top. And what we can see is that the base and the height exist at a right angle towards each other. However, there is another formula that we use in National 5, which is a half AB sine C, and that's what we're going to look at just now. So the area of a triangle being a half AB sine C. Okay, so let's just get straight into an example then. Okay, so I'm going to say that this angle here is 30 degrees, and this side is 5 centimetres, and this side is 4 centimetres. I'm going to call that angle capital C, which will make that small c. I'm going to say that that's capital A, and that's going to be small a, and capital B and small b. Okay, so as is typical for area of questions, there's 3 lines of working. So the first line of working is the formula, half AB sine C. Second line is just to put numbers in, so it's a half times A, which is 5, times B, which is 4, times sine of C, and that's sine of 30. Okay, you can now pick that calculator up and put that in. So 1/2 times 5 times 4 times sine 30. So putting that into the calculator, and you should get an answer which is 5. Okay, the units are centimetres, so for an area that's going to be 5 square centimetres. So it's just a case of 1/2 times 5 times 4 times sine 30 equals, and that should give you 5 square centimetres. The one thing to spot just now is the information is given to you with these questions in the following way. So you're given 2 sides with an angle sandwiched in between. So as soon as you're given 2 sides with an angle sandwiched in between, and the question asks for area, then that is area of a triangle half AB sine C. Now that's similar information as to when you use the cosine rule for a side, but the difference being is that question is asking you to find the length of a side, well this question is asking us to find the area of the triangle, which is the amount of surface that's inside the triangle. Okay, so both give me the same type of information, which is 2 sides with an angle sandwiched in between. So that could be cosine rule for a side, or it could be area of a triangle half AB sine C. It's cosine rule for a side if I'm looking for the length of this side here. However, if the question is asking me to find the area, then it's half AB sine C. So again, the information that you're looking for then is 2 sides with an angle sandwiched in between. So let's try a second example. Okay, so again the question is asking to find the area. We can see that it's 2 sides with angle sandwiched in between, so it's going to be area of a triangle half AB sine C. Okay, now at this point it doesn't really matter if I don't have letters attached here, because I know that these will represent the sides, that's A and B, and the angle will represent the capital C at the end of sine C there. So half AB sine C, so a half times, well again it doesn't matter if I say a half times 4.1 times 3.7. If you think about 3 4s, that's 12, well 4 3s are 12 as well. So it doesn't matter what order I put it in, so I'm going to just go straight in with a half times 4.1 times 3.7 times sine of the angle, which is 85 degrees. And again, let's put that into the calculator to get to 1 decimal place 7.6 square centimetres. Let's try one final example. And we're going to find the area of this triangle here. So the angle here I'm going to say is 42 degrees. That's 5 centimetres, 8 centimetres and 7 centimetres. Now the crucial thing is that I extract the right information. I need the two sides with angle sandwiched in between. So this side's been given to me, but I don't need it. I need the two sides and the angle sandwiched in between. So area of a triangle, half AB sine C. Okay, so again I've been provided with this information, but I don't need it. It's a half times 5 times 8 times sine 42. Okay, enter that into the calculator then. To one decimal place then, that's 13.4 square centimetres. Okay, there's 3 examples to try then. Remember, it's 3 lines of working for each question, and you use the calculator for each example.